Hi, my name is Vivek, and here's my wife, Mirna. We are proud owners of a villa in Olympia Panache community.
We've been living here for almost a year now. So we have two kids, and we moved in during April of last year. From my side, I would say the way the homes are built, the way it looks, the same colored homes, and then the environment, the choice of plants and how they have, you know, planned it out is really good. And then I would say how they have brought in people together and in accepting each other way. So the momentum has always been, and they have encouraged it rather than the community and the owners of Panache have done it in such a way that whoever is coming in has been welcomed really well. So it has been those are the three things I think really is supporting the whole system here.
For me, the first thing is community. I mean, these homes are not, very inexpensive, and some people have actually, spent a lot more money on doing up their homes internally. For the same price, one could have bought a nice big home, by the beach, on ECR, right? When you think about it as to why somebody would buy in a gated community, etc., I think it's really for the community, right? So where, like most of the people here, commute to different cities for work, they travel a lot, domestic, international. There are people who travel like 100, 200 days in a year. There are people who work in the US, work in UK. Their families are here. Uh, the families feel safe. The people who are working, they feel safe that their families are safe. You have a very good school in the community where most of the people go to. So that's, I think, community is one. For me personally, I think it's lack of noise, and because it's although it's right on the main road, the homes are not. So I think that's a blessing, and most importantly, dust, uh, very minimal dust, right? So that is something like I'm allergic to dust, and more importantly, being in India, typically you would have to keep cleaning your homes, right? So since these homes are way inside, they don't attract that amount of dust. So those would be, I think, some of the key points for me. Yeah, so both our parents live in a city kind of an environment. Uh, so when they come here, it feels like a holiday for them, right? So this is like a nice holiday, where you can go walk around, and
Quiet place.
it's a very quiet place, and so it's green, right? So they really like it here.
It cannot be contained, but it's so a happy space living out here. What can we say? It's a package.
Yeah, it's a safe community.
Yes, safe community.
It's a safe community would be probably one phrase. Another phrase could be, um, I think safe community is probably the best one.
Things that are available there is very different from what is available here. You cannot compare both of them. Obviously, the center of the city, they have everything right next to them. But the experience of the home, everywhere you can live in a home, but here the way the homes are built is with glass, and even though you have space for walking, the way the walk spaces are created, there's just three lanes. You can even easily get bored, but you don't get bored because the way how the people are, and how the plants are maintained. So those are the things that make it, how many ever times you go around, it makes it little exciting with the kids out in the park and play. There's a community as well as the way it's built. The home, it gives a fresh feeling with the plants and green environment. That's the thing, which we will usually miss in the city, right? Yeah, plants
Yeah,
and the
I
quietness.
think it's a hustle and bustle of the city,
Right.
right? That uh, at times you want to get away from, and I think we feel lucky that we get to stay in a place like this. right? So where you can come back to home,
The truth
kind of a
is,
feeling.
this is something we used to have in US all the time. In India, it's very tough to get. That's all is the difference. Wherever it is, there is noise pollution, but somehow in this community, the sound has been like, taken off. So,
We love it, but we're not in the market, right? This is not a home where
It's a
I can
wow
just walk in
factor,
and
actually.
buy. So we were really wowed. So that was January of 2020, and then in the month of October, we actually made a decision that we would not stay at Hirandani. We would like to move into a bigger home, and we had already seen this place, so we didn't want to look at this place again. But just for the sake of it, we checked out other places, and having looked at other villa communities. So we were very clear that we wanted to buy a villa property. We didn't want to buy a home. So we wanted a gated, safe villa community where you have neighbors around, etc. Honestly, we actually didn't find anything that was even close to Olympia. And I still remember we started at 10 o'clock in the morning. My parents and us, we looked at several properties, and at the end, it was a very natural decision.
People who come and visit Panache as guests, what I hear from my friends, we all love living here, and people who look at Panache, they really want to come in.
They're jealous of you.
Not jealous, they like it. They're just tilting towards Panache. So that's good news, yeah. The number of homes is limited, and in such a way that we can keep in touch with everybody. That's the thing.
There's a running joke that people who want to walk, they actually wake up very early, like at 5 o'clock or 5:30 to walk, because if you try walking at 7, it's not possible to finish your walk, because every home that you cross, you have to stop by and have a chat, right? So you would see people walking, as though they don't even know you because
we want to finish our walk.
because once you stop to chat, that's about it. You just start talking.
Everybody wants to walk together, and it just becomes a big gang all of a sudden, and then we have to squeeze in the gang. Funniest part is in US, it's like, it's hard. It depends on the community that we live in US. Sometimes you don't get to know your neighbors, you don't have much time to talk or, share anything. And everybody's having a work schedule and a home schedule. So now that it's like, if you walk around the street, you have so many people like, I saw you there, you walked there, what did you do? I can see you here. It's a kind of a privacy invasion, but everybody likes it. Everybody tries to get that kind of attention, and everybody's liking it. I mean, as adults as well as kids, that's what you want, privacy, but not too much of privacy. We say it, but we like that attention, all of us.
Honestly, this morning we woke up, and as an example, my wife and I, we just went for a bike ride. We took out our bikes, we rode till Mahabalipuram, and we came back, and the kids were sleeping, and we didn't even bother or even worry that they would wake up and probably a stranger would pick them up or something. So we knew they would wake up, they would have something to eat, or they would drink their milk, and they would just go out and play, and so we know it's that safe. And in the evenings, we don't worry about where our kids are. We know they are at somebody's home or they are playing somewhere. So it's very difficult to find a community like that. So that, I think, is for people who value that. I think this would be a great place to live. So I think at the end of the day, the positives weigh out the negatives by a very wide margin. Overall, I think it's a great package for someone who's looking for not only a good home to stay, but a great community to stay, where you as an individual, your wife as an individual, your kids as as their own self, have their own company, their own sort of experience, I think this will be a great place. We find it very safe.
Yeah, like it's a very big community. Only in America we had like this one-story house, and then we were like, okay, thank you, we'll go and do something. And then we came to India, and then we stayed in a one-story house again. So in our grandparents' house. So then we were okay, it's all okay, everything's okay. And then next year when we came here, it was like, now it became two-story. We were much more happy.
When we shifted into this house, we were like so excited. We were like, wow, it's a very big house and we have much more space to walk, to cycle, to move around.